Rolling. Devs for Jesus. I can do this.
All right, it's fucking up.
The easiest guitar tutorial. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll Jimmy tap your sack and double slap your backity back. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else you know the deal. I'll double punch your taint into oblivion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double backflip, throat punch, kick your taint off. If you're new here, click that subscribe. Toy! If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double power bomb your ass and seismic toss that shit into oblivion. My fucking picks just won't stop turning in my hand. I don't know why. It's never happened to me before. I don't know what's going on. I feel like... Will you hand me one of those other picks? This one's kind of titty. What is all of this noise? That's got to be from the air, right?
That's the air.
Okay, we should turn that off.
That's crashing down.
Yeah, whatever that is blowing up. Alright, keep everything rolling. We're chilling. Okay, we're just knocking the rest out.
What is going on, guys? Silly Boltz here with Silly Boltz music.
What day is today?
Wednesday.
Okay. What's the name of the song? Today we're learning how to play What's in Your Head by the Jonas Brothers. God, some fucking shit. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Okay. I gotta get back into it. Notification bell, or else I'll double back flip quick grandma off your face. Grip. A crip kick. A double crip kick. Double crip walk your grandma.
Double curves.
I'll teach your grandma how to crip walk. So we're like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god. Ooh, it's about to get hot in here. We're gonna be cooking like some little sausages. As long as it's keto. Just kidding, I had some club crackers last night, so it was fire.
You got a lot done before that next.
Yeah, if they could just pause all flights for the day, that'd be great. Yeah, is this all the airports? Yeah, could you shut the fuck up?
That's great, man.
Alright, it's a wrap for this one, I think. We'll make that work.
I don't think we got this, but all right, rolling.
Because he fucking deserves it. Bam. And the notification bell, or else I'll thunder punch your brain into a bowl of egg drop soup. What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Shultz Music, bringing you the easiest... My tongue stopped working. Gotta get through this one quickly because the shit's fucking up again. I don't understand why. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to take this shit somewhere and I hate it. If you're new here, if you need that, jump into the video description. Once you get done, it's there for you. Blah.
CAPO.
Okay, now I'm ready, you fuck shit. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double leprechaun punch you in your private genital parts. Keeping it.
After me, Lucky Charms.
Charms.
That shit's Zilla, dog.
Zilla, bro.
That's just Zilla. Yeah.
Zilla killer.
Stop it. Okay. I can do this. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll punch you in your fucking... Whoa.
Who needs chiropractor?
I can snap my own shit in half on a Tuesday. Listen to this chord. And then it resolves too. Fuck. Here it is. It's like a
That's some music theory level shit, baby.
No, it's not.